Hi everyone, I am Akanksha and I am learning Polish. So let's start. We will start with simple greetings. Greetings means Powitania in Polish. We will see how to greet in a formal as well as in an informal situation. In formal situations, you can greet a person with Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry. Dzień dobry means good day or good morning. In an informal situation, you can greet by saying Cześć. Cześć. Cześć means hi or hello. Today we learned Powitania means greetings, Dzień dobry means good day or good morning, Cześć means hi or hello. See you guys in next video in which we will learn new phrases that can be used in day-to-day life.